Another Day, Another Story, by Chef Stefano. Italian cuisine starters. Italian cuisine is known for its delicious and diverse range of starters, or antipasti, in Italian. Here are some popular Italian starters that you may want to try. Bruschetta, grilled bread rubbed with garlic and topped with fresh tomatoes, basil, olive oil, and sometimes mozzarella or other ingredients. Caprese salad, a simple salad made with fresh tomatoes, mozzarella, basil, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar or glaze. Prosciutto e melone, thinly sliced prosciutto served with fresh melon slices, a classic Italian pairing. Antipasto platter, a selection of cured meats, cheeses, olives, marinated vegetables, and sometimes seafood, served with crusty bread. Arancini, crispy, deep-fried rice balls filled with ingredients such as mozzarella, tomato sauce, and peas. Fritto misto, a platter of assorted deep-fried seafood, vegetables, or a mix of both, served with a dipping sauce or aioli. Carpaccio, thinly sliced raw beef, fish, or vegetables, typically drizzled with olive oil, lemon juice, and capers, and garnished with shaved Parmesan cheese. Insalata di mare, a chilled seafood salad made with squid, shrimp, mussels, and other seafood, marinated in lemon juice, olive oil, and fresh herbs. Focaccia, a savory, oven-baked Italian flatbread, often topped with olive oil, rosemary, and sea salt, or other toppings like olives, tomatoes, and onions. Panzanella, a Tuscan bread salad made with stale bread, ripe tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and fresh basil, all tossed in a simple vinaigrette. These are just a few examples of the many delicious Italian starters you can enjoy. Remember that Italian cuisine varies from region to region, so don't hesitate to explore the local specialties when visiting different parts of Italy. Authentic caprese salad must be prepared with buffalo mozzarella cheese from Campania. Authentic caprese salad, also known as insalata caprese, originates from the Campania region of Italy, specifically the island of Capri. The key ingredient for an authentic caprese salad is buffalo mozzarella cheese, also known as mozzarella di bufala. This cheese is made from the milk of the Italian Mediterranean buffalo, which is native to the Campania region. Mozzarella di bufala has a unique flavor and texture, different from the cow's milk mozzarella commonly found in supermarkets. It is creamier, softer, and has a slightly tangy taste. To make an authentic caprese salad, you should use buffalo mozzarella cheese from Campania, along with ripe tomatoes, fresh basil leaves, high-quality extra virgin olive oil, and optionally, a drizzle of balsamic vinegar or glaze. The ingredients should be arranged in alternating layers of tomato slices, mozzarella slices, and basil leaves, and seasoned with a little salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. By using mozzarella di bufala from Campania, you will be able to enjoy the true essence of a traditional Italian caprese salad. The perfect prosciutto e melone is only with Parma ham. Prosciutto e melone is a classic Italian starter traditionally made with Parma ham, also known as prosciutto di Parma. Parma ham is a type of prosciutto crudo, dry-cured ham, produced in the Parma region of Italy. It is highly regarded for its delicate flavor, tender texture, and rich aroma. Pairing Parma ham with sweet, ripe melon creates a delightful balance of salty and sweet, as well as a contrast in textures that many people find irresistible. To make the perfect prosciutto e melone, you should use thinly sliced prosciutto di Parma and fresh, ripe melon, such as cantaloupe or honeydew. The combination of these high-quality ingredients will ensure an authentic and delicious Italian starter. Simply arrange a few slices of Parma ham on a plate, and serve with equally sized slices or wedges of melon. This dish is easy to prepare, yet elegant and perfect for both casual and formal occasions. Antipasto, classic traditional starters but never boring. Antipasto, which means before the meal, in Italian, is a classic and traditional Italian starter that offers a diverse and customizable array of flavors, textures, and ingredients. The beauty of an antipasto platter is that it can be tailored to suit individual preferences, making it an exciting and ever-changing appetizer option that never becomes boring. A classic antipasto platter usually includes a combination of the following elements: cured meats, prosciutto di Parma, salami, mortadella, coppa, and soppressato are some of the popular choices. Cheeses. A variety of Italian cheeses such as Parmigiano Reggiano, Pecorino, Mozzarella, Gorgonzola, and Taleggio can be included. Olives, green and black olives, including regional varieties like Kalamata, Castelvetrano, or Cerignola, add a briny touch. Marinated vegetables. Artichoke hearts, sun-dried tomatoes, roasted red peppers, and marinated mushrooms are popular choices. Grilled or pickled vegetables, grilled eggplant, zucchini, or asparagus, and pickled vegetables like pepperoncini or giardiniera can add variety. Seafood, marinated anchovies, smoked salmon, or seafood salad can be included for an extra touch of luxury. Nuts, almonds, walnuts, or pistachios can add crunch and contrast to the platter. Fresh fruits and dried fruits, seasonal fresh fruits like grapes, figs, or melon, and dried fruits like apricots or dates, can provide sweetness to balance the savory components. Breads and crackers, crusty Italian bread, grissini, breadsticks, focaccia, or a variety of crackers can serve as the base for the antipasto components. Dips and spreads, pesto, tapenade, or a simple olive oil and balsamic vinegar mix can provide additional flavors and textures. The key to keeping an antipasto platter interesting and inviting is to use high-quality ingredients and to continuously experiment with different combinations of flavors and textures. As the seasons change, you can also adjust the platter to include seasonal produce and ingredients, ensuring a fresh and enticing appetizer experience. Carpaccio worldwide favorite Italian starters. Carpaccio is a popular Italian starter consisting of thinly sliced raw meat, typically beef or fish, such as salmon or tuna. The dish is often dressed with olive oil, lemon juice, capers, and shaved Parmesan cheese, and is usually garnished with arugula or another type of leafy green. The story of Carpaccio dates back to 1950 in Venice, Italy. It is named after the Venetian Renaissance painter Vittore Carpaccio, who was known for his use of bright reds and whites in his artwork. The dish was created by Giuseppe Cipriani, the founder of the famous Harry's Bar in Venice, a favorite spot among celebrities and writers. The story goes that Countess Amalia Nanni Messinigo, a regular patron of Harry's Bar, visited the establishment and informed Cipriani that her doctor had advised her to eat only raw meat for health reasons. Cipriani, inspired by both the Countess's request and the striking colors in Carpaccio's paintings, came up with the idea of creating an appetizer featuring paper-thin slices of raw beef, dressed with a simple sauce made of mayonnaise, lemon juice, and Worcestershire sauce. The dish was an instant success, and it soon became a worldwide favorite. Since then, Carpaccio has evolved, and many variations have been created using different types of meat, fish, and even vegetables. However, the essence of the dish remains the same: a simple yet elegant starter that showcases the natural flavors and textures of high-quality, fresh ingredients. Enjoy Italian food, enjoy the life as Italians do. Indeed, enjoying Italian food is a way to embrace the Italian lifestyle, which is centered around the concepts of conviviality, simplicity, and high-quality ingredients. The Italian way of life, often referred to as la dolce vita, the sweet life, places great importance on spending time with family and friends, savoring delicious meals, and appreciating the beauty of life's simple pleasures. Here are a few tips to enjoy Italian food and life as Italians do. Gather around the table. Make mealtime a social experience, bringing together family and friends to share good food, conversation, and laughter. Use fresh, seasonal ingredients. Italian cuisine is renowned for its emphasis on high-quality, seasonal ingredients. Visit local markets to source the freshest produce, and allow the natural flavors to shine through in your cooking. Keep it simple. Authentic Italian dishes often have just a few key ingredients, relying on the quality of those ingredients rather than complex cooking techniques. Embrace simplicity in your food preparation and presentation. Savor your food. Take the time to enjoy every bite, appreciating the flavors and textures of each dish. Italian meals can last for hours, with plenty of time to savor each course and engage in lively conversation. Pair with wine. Italians often enjoy their meals with wine, which can enhance the flavors and overall dining experience. Learn about regional Italian wines and find the perfect pairings for your favorite dishes. Indulge in moderation. While Italians appreciate the pleasures of food, they also understand the importance of moderation. Enjoy a variety of dishes, but balance indulgence with healthier options and portion control. Embrace the art of dolce far niente. This Italian phrase, which translates to the sweetness of doing nothing, encourages taking time to relax and enjoy life's simple pleasures. Set aside time for leisure, whether it's sipping espresso at a sidewalk cafe, taking a leisurely stroll, or enjoying a beautiful view. By incorporating these principles into your daily life, you can embrace the Italian lifestyle and make the most of the simple joys that good food and good company have to offer. Thanks for watching. Gourmet Taste Restaurant Qingdao.